Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Hey! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to faster. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Anong wish muna? Wish.
Wish?
My wish is...
Wish.
My wish is yours.
Your wish is your command.
Thank you so much for everyone for making this birthday happen. Thank you, Mike, for cooking the caldereta and also the what do you call that one? The shrimp Cajun sauce. And then thank you, Jason, for sleeping overnight at my house. And I'm helping you all the way cook, but I'm helping you cook all this food like chicken. Yeah, and also the spaghetti. Aside from that, everyone else, thank you so much for coming to my birthday. Oh wait, this is one of my favorite.
Tapos na shrimp pa daw.
Thank you so much. Sheila for 100 pieces clean the shrimp. Everything for the shrimp. 100 pieces exactly.
Without excess.
Thank you so much, everyone.
Happy birthday!
MC.
And now.
The better finish when you hold it. It's not a good luck.
Hello? Magsasalita.
Ang pangit!
Ay, di ba?
Okay. Thank you so much.
Birthday niya! Birthday niya pala!
I thought it's my birthday. No, alright, so tonight we're gonna make this night a special night for Tonette. With that, I want everyone, each one of us, to dedicate a heartfelt message to Tonette. So we're gonna start, of course, with love of your life.
Dapat end na ka siya eh.
End. Okay.
Kaya nga.
So, yung his girlfriend. Oh yeah, you hear us in here.
Ano ba?
And then, where's the 8 roses?
Hello, my kids!
Candles.
6 lang.
What is this? Like ritual?
Yeah. Because we're wearing black. And we will go like this.
Ano?
Our wish is...
My command. From now on,
At
maybe
ito
I'll...
daw.
Background music.
Wag natin!
Sorry for this one.
Sobrang spontaneous ng mga idea.
EOP, please, guys.
AOP, please.
Okay.
That's for you, Sean. EOP.
Where the heck? Okay.
Okay.
Jaisel, start.
Asan siya?
Andun. Nasa kwarto.
Okay, so where's the
Your crown.
so this is how we do it.
This is how we do it.
No, this is how we are going to do it.
Okay.
Okay. Each one,
Why are you still holding this?
does everyone bring a gift for the special girl? Oh, please go home.
Yeah.
Yeah. So each one of us will go to her, and then we'll hand over the gift.
Ang
No,
dami.
Ang gulo, ang gulo.
Sige na tapos.
I'm so sorry. No, the first thing we need to do, we're gonna give you a message, and then we're gonna hand over the gift. Are you guys following? You say yes?
No.
Okay, game. We're gonna start with...
Jaisel.
Jason.
Okay, sige.
Ito na. Ako pumili na.
Magkano nga to? Oh my gosh, I'm gonna cry.
Happy birthday, Jaisel. Happy birthday.
Wait lang.
Whose birthday na?
Para malito sila. Kung sino yung may birthday.
Dapat buksan na din.
Oh, yeah.
Siya mag-open.
You have to show the gift.
Baka ikaw mag-open.
You know, this
lang, nag-airtime si Mike, may kumuha daw ng gift
Small
nila.
memory is going to be full with all of
Exactly.
Okay.
Go!
Yes. Look at my eyes.
Yes.
I want you to know how sincere this will be. I'd like to thank you for this unexpected friendship. Your joyful personality and your endless kakulitan. Your humor really gave me a safe space. And the way how you speak your mind really made me feel spaces.
Not about her!
You're not the birthday girl, ah.
Okay. I know, the hardship you've been through.
Nainip na.
I want to see you cry. Okay, this is my gift. Best wishes, happy birthday.
Thank you so much.
No.
No, you have to open it.
Wow!
Ang cute niyan.
Napagod to mo dyan, Vincent eh. Kaya napagod to mo dyan.
You'll have to put it on the surface so you can appreciate.
Nakabili na siya.
Pinapugutan ang ulo si Pizza. Wait lang. No, it's not yet broken. It just deassembled.
Oh, defective.
No. Hindi, na lang yan, nagalaw lang yan.
Sorry guys, there's some technical difficulties.
Okay.
Take na rin.
Lahat naman, parang main character lahat na nandito ah.
May character syndrome lahat.
You know what guys, this
Uy,
day,
bawal magsama ng nanay!
no,
Ay, grabe, magnanay daw.
lola yung ako.
Unexpected eh.
Yopi.
Hello.
No, it's not. We're just being too loud.
Yeah. So, you know what, this day actually gave us sleepless nights because of the preparation that we had.
Wow.
Sleepless nights? How many
Yeah.
times?
Actually, we are so much pressure to prepare the food and to handle or to prepare for this program.
Yeah.
And we're all doing this because our one of the kind friend.
One of the kind.
One of the kind.
Actually, I prepared a long message. First of all, happy birthday to
OMG! First of all, my second of all.
happy birthday to one of the most genuine souls I know. Your heart is
May ano ka
purple.
na? May script.
Your laughter is contagious and your friendship is a good gift I treasure every single day.
Grabe.
Wait, there's more. Thank you for being the kind of person who lift others up, who listens without judgment, and who makes life better just being it. May this year bring you peace, love, and all the happiness you give so freely to others. Again, let's greet Tunette a happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Ikaw naman, ano?
Is that from ChatGPT?
Hindi. Iba utak niya dapat.
May wife ko to message.
Bye.
Ano?
Sila yung magkikiss.
Ano ba?
Lahat din character po.
Anong sa akin?
Ang dahil na.
Ikaw ako yung ayos din.
Hindi na ako.
Ano? Hindi niya mag-umpisa.
Game na!
So I can't even begin to describe how much I
Pero,
love
legit
our
pala
friendship.
talaga. Legit pala talaga yun.
You bring joy to my life. I bring on my face an appreciation for friendship, love, and life.
Wow.
In today's world, it's nearly impossible.
Ano? Siri? Google?
In today's world, it's nearly impossible true friends.
What?
You are one.
Wow.
Thank you for making this journey worthwhile.
Galing.
Having you has always been like having a sister who listens to all your problems and inspire you. And I want you to be my best friend for the rest of my life.
Next day, bibigyan kita na date.
Uy, yung gift pa. Yes, nilagay.
Saan yung gift na?
Wala akong gift.
Open mo rin.
Parang naya.
I don't have.
Thank you. Next.
No, you have
Mga
to
walang-
open the gift.
That gift describes her
Meron pa ano?
Explain your gift. Explain your gift. Explain your gift. Baka may explain your gift.
as you can see from the packaging of the gift. It gives
Bright and glow. Body.
Because it's her wedding soon, so she needs to glow.
I mean, glow more. She's glowing up.
You can glow in the dark.
Very practical and it's very heartwarming.
Alright, let's move forward to the next person.
Wala akong gift.
Kahit na message lang.
Message.
May gift ako ba?
Oh, go.
Ay!
Wow.
Wala ako lang.
Go na.
Ay, you pass it.
No, you give me money packet.
Oh my gosh.
The crown.
Oh my god.
HPD, MUTC.
MBTC.
NY Taps. Akala ko may kodi ko ka doon.
Oo, may code ko. Hindi wala.
Magsama-sama talaga yung mga feeling character mo.
Oo. Sunod-sunod eh.
Sorry.
Ngayon na. Kakatbibirit pa yan oh.
Baka na yung ano, parang yun eh.
No, I want to ask you one question. Okay.
Ay!
Ay!
Wow, with engagement?
Nag-review ka.
No, I want to know, do you remember when we started talking?
Yes.
When?
Ay, may
It
ano.
was during that. Grabe, may gusto.
During that. May backstory.
Okay, let me give you a little backstory. So I sitting there on that area. Suddenly, I talked to Sheena regarding about life, and I talked to him further about my life.
Perfect.
Ang dami na correct. Her. I talked to her furthermore about my life, and then that's when I started hanging out with her. We ate lunch that day, and then we, you know,
Sana siya na lang.
Happy birthday!
thank you, happy birthday, Sheena. No, it's your prize. You got that. Please correct. That's the good.
No, because me, I remember
Umiyak
when
na.
the first time we started had interaction is at the restroom.
Oh.
Oh, mali ka! Mali ka! Mali ka!
The first big conversation was that time. But the first interaction we had was in the ladies' restroom with Veronica.
Private.
And then, and then you were like talking to her, and then you suddenly smiled at me.
Wow.
When I actually don't know you. And to be honest,
I don't know
with you, at that time I told Veron that who's that girl? She's beautiful.
Wow. So fake.
To be honest, no, to be honest, I swear to God. That was the first time that I had interaction with you when you smiled. And then after that, I don't know if you can remember me onwards, but you kept on smiling at me at the production floor. And
She has a crush on you.
actually, no, this is so. And then the first time that we have made friendship, I noticed that you're too girly.
Wow.
That's
I don't know. You like
They said you're too boy.
accessories. You like hand sanitizers, lotion, something like that. But it doesn't have to do something like that. It's just I hope you like it.
You have to wear it.
It's girly.
Yeah.
I can. I know. You can wear it.
From an H&M
No,
manager.
this one, she did that.
It's a lingerie.
A tea bag.
tea ba? Okay, I want tea.
Wow! Oh my God! It is a ribbon. You know, yeah, because you're too girly
Yeah, you
for
have to wear
me.
it. Mahal, oh.
Why?
Not right now, but I want to wear it on special occasions.
No,
Wow.
wear today.
On your wedding.
Today is your special.
No, we're about to sleep. Okay, let's put it here first.
Okay.
Thank you, Ina.
Sean.
Mga walang
Okay,
gift.
next. We have the pass.
Ay, siya pala yung MC. Siya pala yung MC.
Come to you, don't worry.
Si JB muna, JB.
Si
Sige,
JB
okay
na.
lang. Ah, si JB na.
Ayan, yung cheese ring na.
Hey, JB, JB.
I-scripan mo lang yung cheese ring.
JB, you're next.
Baby, sing baby.
Baby.
Dami ng arte, Bilis naman.
Love!
Alright.
Tumayo ka lang, ante.
I don't know how to start this, but let me
May
start
backstory
by
ka naman.
saying happy birthday, dear. Thank you so much for everything that you have done for me.
Oh.
You are the person with the purest and kindness and beautiful soul. The most beautiful soul that I met here in Malaysia.
Nabanggit mo.
I remember clearly. Yeah. I remember clearly.
Malaysia.
You didn't say. I remember clearly when we first met. That was in the office, and I saw like you don't have that much friends before, and that's when I went. I sat next to your station. Then we started talking, and Andres is like kind of a person who talks a lot.
Yeah. I agree with that.
She's like an open book that
Very open book.
she shares everything about her life.
Not everything. Just
Like
everything.
with me. And I really appreciate that you trying to you didn't try. It's because you have a beautiful soul, that's why you have friends.
Yeah.
That time really, she told me like, I don't have much friends. Even my boyfriend, he doesn't have much friends. That's why they were, even
Dinamay
my
pa
friend
si
told me, he doesn't have that much friends. Like, if you're going...
That's what he said.
Happy birthday, Aswan Fizu.
But that's why they work.
Let's manage our AHD.
Yeah. We got building rapport. And yun lang, gusto ko lang sabihin sa'yo na Tagalog. And I just want to tell you that I am so proud of you, and I'm so grateful that I met you, and that I am one of your friends, and I hope that you keep shining and share that positivity with other people. And you have no idea how much comfort you are giving to me. The hugs, the smiles,
The kisses.
especially when I am at my lowest, at my rock bottom. You always check on me and even lend me money, Even though my camera ringgit.
That's the most
From
important.
you, but yeah. I didn't bring any gift today because I want to make something special for someone special to me.
Okay.
So, kita-kita sa ako.
Let's see each other in the payday.
Yeah,
Okay,
that's it for me. Here.
Nainip na yung birthday celebration.
Ala.
And let's give him a round of applause.
Thank you.
Okay.
Init na cellphone ko ah.
Okay. The most enemy.
Of course.
Your gift.
Yes, my gift is the cake. Joke lang. I was
Keep it,
thinking about the gift na
keep
I'm
it
supposed to give to Donette, but I don't have a
extra money.
no spare time to buy for that. Yeah. So I wanted to give this message to Donette. Happy birthday, and I wish you luck for your married life, and thank you for letting me be your friend. And through
That's not Sean.
all our experiences, through your experiences, may God bless you. And mag-mic din to kasi. Joke.
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year, happy birthday.
Iiyak si Sean.
Yung pawis ko eh.
Kinabahan?
He's crying.
Manager age to Sean. Sinaspon.
It's getting hot!
Yeah.
Transfer.
For all those bashers that heard.
That was the bashers.
Yes, thank you so much, Sean.
We ignore them.
Happy birthday.
Tinapos na nito. Thank you so much, Sean. Next! Wow, very heartfelt.
Meron akong gift? Meron ba siyang gift?
Where's the Manila paper?
May solving problem
Saan?
Actually, my message is just for Jason, actually. I mean, it's for you.
Okay, Jason, happy birthday.
Jason, happy birthday.
First of all, happy birthday. And thank you for being friend of Jason. And I know you're one of the good friends of Jason. Based on her story though. But yeah, I will go that in the future. Now, I know you're a joyful person. And
Thanks so much.
Yeah. Speak your words and you're so honest. So
Yes.
keep it up.
Honesty is the best policy.
Okay, for the gift. Well, he has a gift. Ito naman yung damit ko.
Oh my God, thank you so much.
And you did prepare well.
From now on,
You didn't prepare well? Yay!
Baby girl.
What's that?
Last one.
Eh?
Wow!
Party!
Last one not the least.
Serious lang.
It's your turn.
Last but not
I'm gonna hear those.
Serious muna.
Last but not the least. Alright. Let's welcome.
Last one.
The love of his life.
His life.
Please wait.
Her life.
Okay.
Let's keep it silent.
Silence.
Oh, he's shy. You have to look at her
In his eyes.
He's a
Her.
sorry, her. Sorry, my grammar.
Silence.
Alright.
Moment of silence. A moment of silence, please.
Okay, first of all, I would like to thank to each and every one of you guys for making this happen.
Yes.
So nextly, for my future wife.
Parang naiyak si Jason.
So happy birthday to you. I wish you like have a good life with me somewhere in the future. I hope that
Ba't nagtataray ka?
Dead na si Bashers.
yeah, I hope that you can achieve whatever you want with me.
Yeah.
Now we share the dream together. Alright. And then
Don't cry.
thank you also for all the sacrifices that you have made. You come to Malaysia, that's huge sacrifices, converted to Muslim. Yeah. And then leave the family very far for a very long time. So this is a huge sacrifices. I have a gift for you, but that is a very small gift. So we're gonna achieve huge things together. This is not about me any longer. This is about us.
Oh my God. Yes.
So happy birthday to you.
Thank you so
My love.
much.
Happy birthday to you.
So I would like to pass by.
May message ka rin. Birthday niya ba?
We'd like to see the gift, please.
keep the card.
You open the gift first and then you say the message.
Kinilig siya.
Oh my God!
Sama na!
Miss na kami.
Ooh, lingerie. Tea box.
Ano yun?
Okay. What's that?
Happy birthday.
What's that?
It's Ane!
It's
Oh, that's gold bar.
Gold bar?
my
How
God.
much?
Can we have like a piece? A little piece?
Pagkatiyan na natin kasi nandito na rin kami. I wanna see it.
Wow. Wait, like, Afisa wants to hear your message.
Thank you so much, Mahal, for
Message ka rin sa akin.
Nagme-message ka rin sa amin isa-isa.
Isa yan.
Thank you for coming into my life. I'm really happy that wow, this is hard. Okay, I'm really happy that we're together and I know that we're going to have a bright future. Okay, thank you so much, everyone.
How many children?
2.
Really?
First 2.
Yes, thank you so much and happy birthday to Jaisal, Mike, and also to Sheena.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Hey, sa'yo. Hey, happy birthday. Sana'y malasing mo kami. Yeah, okay.
Wow.
Okay.
Ano next?